comfort in being quiet. Oh, I listen to the sounds in my head, to the noises all around me, to the earth. When I sit and search for the meaning of life, I find turmoil in my mind, disarray near my center, swirling thoughts in my head. Environment supplies contact for me, machinery and compressors all around, footsteps from above, dripping water. Oh, peace on earth, here it is. Crashing waves on the beach inspire me. Wind against my face softly stings. Salt and scent smells in my head. I rest, oh yes. Noises